Hi, I'm Saadiq Jacobs and I am a training specialist for aerobotics. I'm a training specialist for aerobotics. I spend time on farms, training them on how to use the Aerobotics platform. I also consult with accredited drone pilots to successfully map within the agricultural space. I joined Aerobotics on the 1st of February 2016 to run the drone R&D and manufacturing department. My favorite thing about working at Aerobotics is getting to see new places and meet new people. I'm interested in the tech department. I've always had an interest in learning code. I suppose that's where the world is going, or where it is now. I've been with Aerobotics from the early days, and I've seen how far Aerobotics has come and how they've grown within the last couple of years. I'm looking forward to seeing where Aerobotics is going to be in the next few years. I would like a apple farm. I spent a lot of time in Limpopo and Zanin. There's a lot of farms out there, apple farms. Basically, Zanin is one of the best places I spent in South Africa. There's a lot of apple farms in Zanin, and that's why I would want the apple farm.